skis must have a built-in flexible arch.
This keeps the ski
From making a friction seal with the snow.
Kathy Gertson with a special Call 4 news brief. Today's big story, of course, is the weather.
Ski Master Charette believes that any ski work like this can also be fun when you become skillful at it.
Some ski resorts still won't let them use their lift.
We will continue plowing the rest of the night tomorrow until the snow stops.
Valley rain, mountain snow showers expected on Tuesday. Maybe a wintry mix for some of the valley locations as well.
Snow.
Spending the message on his first alone. Rushing shooting at me on the air and I know. Look at rock, late night forces, bloody, hands real shaky, terrorist silence. And then she can get worried. That's why I get this shit on me. I just tell myself like keep it pushing before it. Started like some shit thinking I'm worried. Don't respond to the message, I just feel so wrong. Rushing shooting at me on the air and I know. Got a light shining on me. There's a light shining on me. Danger ink in the darkness. And you see something shining. Someone's looking out for me. Someone's looking out for me. There's a light shining on me. There's a light shining on me. So bright I can see a thing. So bright that I start to sing. There's a light shining on me. Someone looking out for me. I need a flashlight, man. Ain't got a flashlight, man. I don't know where I am. No possessions, you my only obsession. We undressing, can you teach me a lesson? We in the graveyard, late night flashlight. Hate this town, cause it's all for the enemy. It's the only place I can hang with no memories. Really rough with pepper enemy. I need a flashlight, man. Ain't got a flashlight, man. I don't know where I am. I'm responding to a message on his first alone. Rushing shooting at me on the air and I know. We in the graveyard, late night flashlight. Hate this town, cause it's all from the enemy. No possessions, you my only obsession. We just in, can you teach me a lesson?